Mana analyzing the situation, then I give an opinion based on those facts. But of course, nari barabanyacyaro bakutekereza ngo nono hara n'umuntu. But when you work out a collabo with a popular artist, inka artist okubarya nanka okubano boraboramo, you don't tend to benefit.
Rasta Charz na sanko rukwesa ba.
Of course, the charity are mu makaganda right now, but it doesn't stop her committing and a Charz bakagamba. But however, they've had issues a few months.
Yes, all right. It's Ankole Media. I think this I must obey the sparks and one savage on it. So yes, so nkerizo bakoko kumanya maka musyangu gwashira. Yes, kandi twina hano Dan MVP kuja kushedinga some insight ibintu kwa tuyenevaho twaba tuntuto bicire kugira ngo aho rizere twaye tufune mu that breakdown. So Dan MVP twakwakira.
Nanye no mugisha kushanga Ankole Media ne contactinga nari mwingi contactinga kandi ba available nanye issues of regional importance when nzongere mu expert opinion.
So talking about issues our regional music watandikirinka ihabiro a series of events nyingi kuruga kutwa the last time we met habiro a lot of things but the aftermath of the rage as we saga is tukareba hija how the birth of a new song forever ho turatandikiraho bije Ekyeshongoro abantu nebebuza abantu nanjye tabakushimanya ngo it's a collab so abantu nebebuza Ekyeshongoro tushikanye mu kawa tugambe ngo this collab is going to be more beneficial to Rage than Megatone. So abantu nebebuza Megatone Ekyeshongoro ko tachifuniro any credit yet.
Mana analyzing the situation, then I give an opinion based on those facts. But of course nari barabanyacyaro bakutekereza ngo nono hara n'umuntu. But when you work out a collabo with a popular artist, inka artist okubarya nanka okubano boraboramo, you don't tend to benefit when the song is nice. So niyo challenge bira ahari Megatone because Forever Kashola, I think in the second or third week December, even around that time Rage Ekyeshongoro shobo wami, which I think he had projected kushanga mukibasa koro muri Kampala in the festivities, but the Rage as a saga tumacha extincting before even matures, because if you're going to go back into December, Ekyeshongoro shobo wami, it was gaining some momentum in Kampala. So when the Rage Azawi saga came up, the song vanished off scene. So that
Focus here on the song now to the saga.
Saga ya Ekyeshongoro, then that's the rise of Forever. Because if I'm to remember so well, from my sources, Rage was hesitant to perform that Forever song without Mutina Ichahikiri. So kuyarebe na momentum MVP amara kuchibracing Ekyeshongoro chaba viral. He felt like now it's a time to associate with the song. You get it? Because wakuleba before Christmas, Ekyeshongoro chikacha showire, but it was Megatone trying to push it. So it's until after Christmas that now Rage is trying to associate with the project. Kandi yushuka ngukiriya channel ya Nakawenka. Ya channel ya Megatone.
Actually the song ne belonging to Megatone, then Rage is featuring.
Yeah. Naorahi was a Megatone project.
So idea ne
Megatone. Yeah, so ikintu zokumanyisa kiribati actually chiyambe na Megatone Ekyeshongoro munonga kuja Megatone akara at a certain number of subscribers. Now he has grown at more than 100% subscriber base. So no yes, the measurable way is that has helped Megatone gain some subscribers social platforms there, but commercially has not yet benefited from it, though it is now keeping Reggie's momentum. Hayishika Reggie akashoze EP. Mavuri yabasa kurabo. So
the song ya nanka na dejo EP it had like a couple of songs sonka abwenchi mavuni ya biri muyonga
kandi bakawe ni projection yo kushoza another video of one of the songs of that album, but
kwetu biturikireyo yo
forever yabisangura byona. So plan zabati binde ba scheduling what another time to release a video of a song on what on that EP. So Megatone, like I said, is not going to benefit commercially from the song. He may get subscribers, he may get new viewers, he may get whatever, but the song commercial is going to benefit Reggie because he was in Doha, he performed it. Yashanga abantu bakukimanya esimanyi ngundi za chabe za 1-on-1 byamyo na tinu wabe na bichenga batkubatire ki wachire. And ekindi, this Forever song is also going to revive Bruno's career because Bruno akabagwire wachireba yafurukire nambara yagire Kampala.
Aisho Bruno katumuhidu Bruno man tuturum town tumangu numwa
Bruno akafuruka za Kampala in studio. Yes, Alpha Music because na JK za karugayo
studio 49
akarugayo because nawe akayabo yaenda yahwirira mano Alpha. So Studio Alpha Kerio, because there's a producer called Zagi. He's also another producer, very nice. Zagi is also a good producer, but takafune chance abantu kuza kumukakasa, but Zagi is also a good producer. So ati aka Bruno akayagire kuronda future Kampala now because omurimbara akayahwiremo. So yaza Kampala inho yayitire the legend yatera ba Joyranda babona. But Ekyeshongoro byagumana bikuma omunanka omu streets za Makindi bitakurenga yo ni bijambara. So Bruno akita the legend yarugaho yayita Bruno Beats byarema. Now he's coming back on Mr. Bruno. So now this article selling in Mr. Bruno because everyone now knows that Mr. Bruno, no, that's the same person. It happens on production. On production, if you remember Sabura akawaho yagaruka busya izana izit moto
Sabura akatari gibawa
boy yagaruka yakari digbawa
ijaga kana zivu
izana nkasa something like that.
No yakubane simu city boy
kebe. So you keep on reinventing or izabusa. So
jackpot
that Bruno na Mr. Bruno nakuba natambura we. So the song is going to help is going to give Bruno a comeback. It's going also to re-energize Reggie again. It is also going to help Megatone at least gain some new followers on his social media handles. But commercially, he's not going to benefit unless the next project this Forever should give him the reason to do quality work. Aruge abikushanga na koraza korabona ba Rasta dog bitari kiriya.
So nyowe because ntikaja ngo teacher beneficial angles zona, but the attention eriko netekwaho attention nyingi ya Rage kusinga Megatone. You look at the challenges za TikTok ogarukoza na mwa muri mbara na batera verse ya gundi batera verse ya Rage yonga. So nchimanyisa ngo we purpose yonyine yabe nakendera takagishira.
That's I don't think Rage has any influence on that. Kujanwa forcing ba DJs kuza kutera verse ya Ray na kuza kuforcing aba challenges kora. It's about the message. Watch, now it's the responsibility of Megatone now ku editing out verse yeye na waka akaronda his followers bakajifa ibinjira because they are vibing on Rage's verse, baby it's catchy for them. So now it's the honest one because in verse yeye kubanza it's very nice. Watch it, he can also find his influencers by not influencing a verse. Watch it, because actually this is the first project ya Rage again injury more attention in Kampala omukurabiro ba the influential people, ba comedians, ba Dax vibes nkabo.
So now habire ibintu byinshi then rwamkaga we are expecting to also Rasta Charz. Umbwira ngo mwe nyimwazo ndebere the comment on the tweet nkandebere that screenshot arikugeza kujya kandi tumange ibintu ibyo bakaho ibintu bya Rasta Charz na Rasta Charity hato umuntu uri kurege mbuzi na basa kuteka ate ngo tushige mu 2028 Rasta Charz na sanko rucyo kwesa ba
Of course, Rasta Charity are mu makaganda right now, but it doesn't stop her committing and a Charz bakagamba. But however, they've had issues a few months back. Yeah, yes, technically I'm aware because at least think I'm a week. Ntabugine Rasta Charity mirundi rengera ryeshatu narena. Kandi in this course of promotion na Rasta Charz ni mabugana. So in meeting Rasta Charity, in meeting Rasta Charz at somehow somewhere, there's where you can meet all of them by coincidence. So kind work back bugana by work bugana bona at coincidence there's no connection, meaning they could be having their personal issues is rising maybe not more than 4 months ago. But from like 1 year 2 years back bakamba kwatagana babugana antu Ekyeshongoro kintu hamwe bakumva. So about the comment, I'm not sure someone might have used Sister Charity's account. Maybe it could be a stunt or it may not be a stunt, but that English intonation is not for Sister Charity. So yeah, they arohandora no manya Ruben Sabo Ruben no Matia Sabo Ruben hata Ekyeshongoro kabiteka
sigaro mu comment section z'abantu na izar consumera TikTok anda nazuma ba
no atnoreba ba Sabo Ruben nabo. Please, you should be depressed. They are depressed, but depressed, so you don't need to give him so much attention.
That's no longer read comments.
Watch that. At Sebo Ruben kakwata Alex Manja kansi chine mitwaro change. Ya jinsi ni chena biteka status yanje nasi Alex Manja Ruben yambuza ata myaka yawe ushirika cyo kuteka center status na mubuza mazarike. I'm trying to drive the point home. So kuna kuchitira status Ruben yaja amyaka yawe no chiteka center status. The status is mine. I choose what I put on my status. You chacha kujiza, you mute my status. So one moment are concerned on things that don't matter or don't have an influence on his life. So going back to the issue, maybe you try and do some small thing, creating a more attention on Rasta Charz. So maybe hinenkaba bemba planning ngokwe kozi aroba game changers abemba jangu Rasta Charz akore yakabari na Rasta Charity kwena chiruwa ringa abantu yakantu kako maybe bayishengeza Rasta Charity ngo bakarabyemo.
Look at it as a marketing.
Just a moment, I'm trying to deliver the point home. Because even the first meetings Rasta Charity taraza attending the first bakamwita yayanga nagakuze mu first meetings yeah. So ikintu gizo kumanya so masako bakaresere late Rasta Charity yenda kubiyaho yagambira handora we Sebo Ruben ngwazaje biyakora so yabitypinga so yabitekayo. So now bayebwa ngo when you do those things you must get people to influence them. Utakaja ngo byabaza bikaza ku rising so high bitina ba influence indi
bose bibi na influence
tina
story ko yareta tia story ko rising
no ukoze example nebo karango ba kansara bakabarire ba Beyazini bakabarire. So ikintu cha rising like that, so it could be a stunt but has come too late to be given attention. Then me I've not been in support of Rasta Charz doing the show at University in. That my opinion is going to stay because I don't expect him to make an impact on that show, because the resources he has used to do a show at University in, he would have done something much better on mwanyo gundi ogukusuiting a class here.
So in your own opinion, no Tekatekangu University in is too big for him?
Yeah, it's too big for him, but however chikuzibira muntu kuzajipanchisa kakora ebyakorera ibi.
So where would you like him to stage it?
Nyukambagambe rwampara pabo wa one drop pabo wa musyo
tabi ya masomsa rigase yeka jombeche right from back in the days up to today. No, influence abantu aba raising. Is that not a point enough?
No, the day is Saturday. We shall come back here and review it, but I don't expect him to give me any surprise at University in. I don't expect any surprise.
With all the stars he has made, with all the crew that he has put behind.
I don't expect any surprise. One mark, I don't expect any surprise.
So we're an MVP for you. Then throwing go back a bit. That Reggie azawisaga tubaye twara kandi baza doa performing. Tutongereza bezirikiria because footage is tufunirayo numanya media zoko. By the way, media houses, those media houses ziri mu diaspora ezikubranga Ugandans in diaspora. These guys need to improve their game because we want to get informed. So never what today bija ba posting at the next week ninga ushanga ba posting sesumu ushanga so tunjire chanjo ngine chibechuru. So in your own sources iwe ine kurira inenka anything echo win about that. Now, might be investigative.
Echo ine kumanya shows zabeshongozo ba Uganda bako bari mu bahanga gandi za very few nibako bagireyo seriously to make money, but usually abantu babatagiriye gukora sente. Wakureba nka I'm giving you this, I think nka show ya Kata. It was organized by a fanatic of Rage. Wachireba. So when komuntu he finds satisfaction ogo promoter w'ikivuro cha doha, he finds regardless of the number ubaye abantu be 20 bashashura Rage sente zeza kwenda bamureba bateza nawe bishani, he find that is.
So it was not more of a turn up thing.
Yeah, so of course you can't make money if you Rage traveled in business class. That's around 3M to Doha. Yushka wa twara kacheche economy, that's around 1.5. Wachireba wa twara, I'm going to come back on that issue of truth. Wa twara because Tone no agenzero mu kifo cha manager Josh. Tone mubare around 1.5. Then Roger way because of vibe packet air ticket na way agenda kunyumirwa. Now the issue of truth actually, this is why I have to credit Ray kesimira kumutwara balance yabe n'abanzi. That's how truth came in the game because that her post.
Rage na truth, I like this one of the guys who tine chogamba about Rage. Abantu were complaining that Truth 256 has nothing to complain about Rage.
Yeah. So truth going tukata ekeri balance ya Rage yabra ineyo yajata atumuju convertingemu mugihereze muri Truth air ticket nawe ansendekeze wakata. I think that's the best he has done for an artist, not as his friend Truth, but for an artist from the region. So wakureba, that's almost that's a cost of around say 10 million on travel. Wachireba wagitaho accommodation, ukazagitaho transportation, ibararye bariyo. So that means you need over
20 million plus.
You need meaning actually nakakufitamu kwabo kakugya mitwaro baninga n'etano ni 10. So wafuna nk'abantu club like performance tukaziham, but the satisfaction on the promoter is for himself, is for him kushanga ngo omweshongozo wakuna kafani yamureto murudo yakakasa abantu bona ngo yareta omweshongozo wakunda yeshongo. So it's not about bayakora rosi oba yakora magoba ekikuru we ya atana kuvimbiraho until next year nzasobora kureta Rage mukata. Rage ni cyari wanje. So manje mare mteri yare kintu kibakweta
ebintu okadana ebintu abantu tuyoza unobye
are kintu kibakweta. I forgotten it in psychology, but I forgot it. What is it? Fixation? I don't think it is fixation. Ejokushanga ngo you find pride in associating with certain class of people, so I don't so abana kogo akata aba Saudi Arabia, they find pride and wokushanga ya haganira na Rage yabiteka status ye na haganira na Rage ukashanga ine Rage nateza na uza selfie akurwana kifuba ushanga uriya na rwana akahiyatu. That's the satisfaction nibo bafana abo. That's the kind of fun go at Rage Kata whatever. So it was able to say, did you see Rage pushing the event on his social handles?
No, in fact, event ninja which cover overshadowed by this. That saga overshadowed because even at T-Paul, I know Ekyeshongoro, but focus you on Western wana focus wana hijitira rage aza ubaka mu rwo babanza bayora omega bamukwasanze hata badanga kwirukanga abandi
so nanjo ninkugambira so at least atembe nyo akajya ngo heading tukata byo natarabitireho niye nabimfuna bwa clips from here abantu bakamba runda plates ku rugo wanje umweshongozo so it's just like so ibintu bya shows bya heru za rage zakora they are just fans they are fans no we sacrificing imishara yesha taketa rage wakafuna satisfaction.
So you shouldn't mind about the numbers and
stuff. Nabo abantu bizo batibiza we promoter kafuna satisfaction na leta tarwiji.
That was a good credit.
Watch it at noreba nkanye me I don't because these people imamukuranka ba stars mini nyoni siba nabo watch it
kuranka ba stars
you mind him watch it me I think nkabantu me when I'm walking in town
and the star man na yet square
iwarivo ya or star you know the man you ngama fixation so chirwati anuranyo kumba ni ntambo mu town yambarara people mbaje MVP twishiriza mtwikiza I'm not Star Trek watch it but I don't kureba nka atura rage atura nanga yeah watch it but nyowe haba ninsiba nabo watch it right to abuse on Facebook but these people me they know me I'm always making fun. Watch it. But actually, for them, they find it as humor. Watch it, but Lanka humor was okay. But shake out them people nature to call just because we meet in our social circles.
You never come back in the interview. Takasha or Ravan Taba confronted because they into what Tabakaru because they are going to take out Bazuma in Chakaromian Muzuma. You were going to Orutaro. The next day to Sangombara, there is nothing like
that. So because Uncle Renabo, I associate with them in Ekyeshongoro. Bonanimba man bachari banje I don't find like pride.
So should they take you serious so mitejo kwa no gambo
no chiri aribo how they receive information
that wagambo so nchimanza ngo whatever you're saying just don't know bikora for fun.
No me when I post something
you have thought about
but when na take chinta page yan buri yoma in a digestion system yengo ko ku accepting wachireba inora changereho inora amare wiki inora amare kwezi inora afune mutayiwe kamanza yacu mushobora kuza kucicenge kinani manyisa but behind the scenes you don't know what's happening. But the fact is shows that Dubai zona it's not about numbers abija show
turn up it's just like full house konkaba rya hantu hache it's not something as big as
kabanda bakuje no just building a profile ngo wakatemba hinyonyi wachire just ati umpaye ticket just nkoro video bwanje ntinde Dubai na watandisira are raising a value here like that those are the things that happen so abantu bakata ba nitrogen na nabandi bona aba basize kwika ahasho ya rage na sherio mwibare gukora ikintu cy'amani mugume mu saving obsente mwihise abantu mukunda
it's nice
like that that's what I need to tell every artist out there kora na man ugire ba fans bakubasa kurwanira bakajya ngo je tushemezo because that sherio akanya approach nyate mvipi to influence ngira ekivuro cyanya nambyante no me am in business you no kweshemeza ngo ware to mweshongoza hati nyo ku influence ngira show yawe what in budget nyondeka wanjireba so ni yebyo
so niceness that was done MVP for you and ngina abantu bade sparks kandi kusana gundo murundi
kintu cyana nkacha sherio aye kintu kinanka sore cya izera ke cyakozere kandi kinkunzire
by the izaraika na story yana na jura umukashesha
ya ati izaraika president musabire Ekyeshongoro cye yagamba ya president ati gendo chironde genda internet chironde that's the culture we want.
If you are honest, if you are a professional radio personality or media personality no mausha even before you contact bena taisha famaika ona kuchomereza na mazamzi
wachire so world presenter wena okwena music reka kuzo mu inbox yo mweshongozi ronda social handles ze orebe linka heri
ngo muntu wasa kushanga nanda kusocializing no kugira ngo nabe na keeping that post
so is there like kintu cyo kozere can ebyona bikozere because of associating with them VP mwerekere what it means by being on standard ibyo ngo representer no sliding mu inbox Ekyeshongoro shawe echo amugambira to go on internet ochironde
mena kusabisha kata vibes zo kuchimba
nimba sindikira link kanoza kuba interviewing in economy I promote links I don't promote cause wa kuchironda no wa monjera ho view wakireba wakikunda n'okusharinga ungebe kuzo mu inbox mukasharinga Ekyeshongoro bikaruzinga
murembe ukago kutamburiza Ekyeshongoro afresh
so is like a big up kandi nyuma you are my student uyigiremo kintu cyangu narimo twandebere ya GP haruzingira maxawo nimo tukakugiteka ibigambo simanyi is like die hard music just iki cyaro nacyo nza kucimwiya mpora mpora you don't need to keep on reminding
utaka kusaba student wawe
no atako ako nyina ko ejo eberi nanka eberi semester ndijo
abisongoza binji bana kabahandikira katine basereba binja bina motoka nanga timanyo obo wabe nanka
abakwandika motoka zabo tizine mazina gakwemarira I can't drive a Subaru nguze kwiyongera ikindi kigambo ikigambo Subaru ni cyemara unkabara abana nora yarwana yateko ni namba yesimu ori yarwana yateka hose manyi ngo emere kikazi onizo simanyi die hard music simanyi nkana naba oyisamba kurwana bateko rebo yaba no ikigambo nisho cyemarira Subaru yarabaho wache onkakuza kuraba ori yarize like no don't remind people shema ko ine chiruka uri mu entertainment shema ko ine chirukanga ikikwemera bakajya ubwo MVP yarabo wa Subaru yarabo no tokwetaka kuremininga abantu ngiri n'izina ryawe
nyawe
na mani tukishira futambura nanye antu ngo MVP cyecho
nyawe mbozi y'imotoka tandaje gambe because nanye yanje kiriyo mbondi
mwemere kikazi Subaru ikiganga no ebintu ebibirugyeho mugure motoka
ezukona kwana kabimbo sanko buze bebe kurka ine hama big size bwese nere boncha naye kagisandije ikigambo
abikoro byabirashige munyacyaro but I believe motoka yo yakureta hatiya takiteko kigambo cyona you just need to get the car executing ana class yawo umuntu yarabaho baje wa Subaru ogune MVP.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was done MVP for you na Marble Sparks okusakana kundo murundi see you and